guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. So today I will be showing you guys how I do my hair. I've been getting so many questions on how I curl my hair and what products I use. So I hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial, and if you do like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my squad. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm super excited for this video because it is actually sponsored by Look Fantastic. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. It is actually Europe's #1 retailer for beauty, and they are now in the US, and even though the US section is new, they are growing significantly and they keep adding so many other brands to their website. And one of those brands is actually Olaplex. So today I will be showing you guys what Olaplex products I use, how I use them, how they have helped my hair, and then I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair. So Olaplex actually helps to repair the bonds in your hair, and it repairs, it strengthens, and it protects. So instead of just a product making your hair look good, it actually helps your hair repair and become healthier. It's actually the first and only brand that has proven the formula that strengthens your hair bonds by relinking the broken bonds and mimicking your hair's molecular makeup. These products actually used to only be available at salons for when people got like a lot of bleach or just a lot of processing, but now we can get our hands on it, which is awesome. So I actually been obsessed with 3 different products. I wanted to try out as many products as I could so that I could give you guys like a good Olaplex review. So this is a #3 hair protector. It is the concentrated treatment that strengthens the hair, it reduces breakage, and improves its look and feel. So it's actually not a conditioner, it's an at-home treatment that contains the same active ingredient found in all of Olaplex. And of course, Olaplex products feature its first of their kind patented bond building technology, which like I said, will relinken the broken disulfide bonds caused by chemical, thermal, or mechanical damage to the hair. So this little bottle is literal magic. I know that you might not think that I have a lot of damage, but if you're new to my channel, I actually used to be blonde, like very blonde, and of course I've been going back to like darker because my natural hair is very dark. So I actually have done a lot of damage to my hair. So it's only recommended to do once a week, but if you do have very damaged hair, you can do 2 to 3. I've only been doing once a week and it's been working out really nicely. You do it on your damp hair. When I do have a lot of products in my hair, I do like to shampoo it first, not condition it, just shampoo all the products out. It actually says to leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, but you can do it longer if desired. What I actually do is I put it in my hair, put it in a bun, and go about my day. I even do my workout with my Olaplex in, and then I just shower. So all you do is rinse it off and then shampoo and condition like normal. After I get out of the shower, I like to go in with the bond smoother. This is super nice. So this is the #6 bond smoother, and it is just a concentrated leave-in smoothing cream. It is excellent for all hair types, including colored and chemically treated. So it actually strengthens, hydrates, moisturizes, and it also speeds up blow dry times while smoothing and eliminating frizz for 72 hours. This little guy is awesome. You don't need that much product. I actually used way too much the first time around. All I use is about a quarter sized. If you do have shorter or thinner hair than me, I would just use like a nickel size, but a little bit goes such a long way. I just put it in my wet hair and I brush it out and I just use it as a leave-in. And then I do like to go in with this guy, and this is the last product I'll be showing you guys. This is the Olaplex #6 bonding oil. So this is a first of its kind, highly concentrated, ultra lightweight reparative styling oil. It repairs, strengthens, and hydrates all hair types. It dramatically increases shine, softness, and color vibrancy, and it also minimizes flyaways. So it's cool because it's also heat protection up to 450 degrees. I like to use this as an oil in wet hair, and then I also like to use it before and after styling. So these 3 little guys have been a lifesaver for me. So I actually have a discount code for you guys. It is for 20% off. It is just my name, VIANNEY in all caps, so you guys can get your products from Look Fantastic. Exclusions may apply, but of course it will work with the products that I'm showing you guys today. If you guys need any more information, just make sure to check out the website. I will have everything linked down in my description box. So let's get into the tutorial. This is my natural hair. It is very wavy, and a lot of you guys wonder how I get like very smooth ringlet waves. So I am here to tell you guys. Okay, so the first thing, I like to smooth out my hair because to get like a wavy look that's not super messy like this, I do have to smooth it. So what I'm actually going to use, and I will link everything that I used today down below, all the products and styling tools. I love using this to smooth out my hair because it just gives a really good base to start doing really smooth curls. So I actually do it on my dry hair. I don't like to use this when it's super wet because then you're just adding too much heat to your hair. I honestly just take like the top part, and that is the only time that I will actually like separate it. So because my hair is not wet, to smooth it out, I actually just wet it with my heat protectant instead of like making it wet. So I actually like to use the TRESEMME heat protectant. This one is called the Heat Tamer, and it protects up to 450 degrees. And it has a really nice sprayer. It's drugstore and I like it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it a lot because I do want to protect my hair, but I also want to make it just a little bit damp. And then I like to go in with my wet brush. Guys, you need a wet brush. I used to think that having a wet brush was like not, I don't know, I was like, why do I need a different type of brush? But honestly, this is literally life-changing. So now I'm going to turn it on and I'm just going to smooth it. That's all I'm going to do until it becomes dry. This is the difference. It's still obviously a little bit wavy, but the top is smoothed down and everything is just very sleek. So this is what's gonna give me more of a smoother look. So now I'm just gonna repeat the same on the other side. Again, make sure you put on a lot of heat protectant, not only to dampen it, but obviously to protect your hair. Brush it out, make sure your hair is really nice and brushed, and then just go over it with the Revlon One Step. It's literally gonna take like 30 seconds. Obviously, this all depends on your hair type. And then the last part is just to do the top part. So with this, I do the exact same thing. I just give myself a little bit of volume. So the reason why I'm showing you guys this is because I know that a lot of you guys that have wavy hair have to straighten your hair before curling it, and that is so bad for your hair. Trust me, been there. And I know that it also doesn't hold your curl that much. With the top part, again, I'm just going to spray it down, same routine. But this time around, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow it to the front and to the back. I'm really gonna try to give it a lot of volume. And then I like to part my hair to the side, my right, your left. So what I'm gonna do is lay all the hair on the opposite side while it dries to get that volume that I want. I am going to let it dry for a couple seconds. I usually let it dry while my curling iron heats up, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so the hair is dry. So now, look at this. Now we pull it over and now you have volume. Even though I already have heat protectant, I am going in with a curling iron. So now what I'm gonna do is brush again, and I'm gonna go in with the Olaplex bonding oil. Guys, a little bit goes a long way. I did like 3 drops, and I'm just gonna put that on my ends. Again, this is a cool oil because not only does it make your hair look nice, but it also is a heat protectant. So my curling iron is from the brand HSI. This is the wand. It actually comes with different size barrels. You can pop them off. You don't need this exact wand, just use whichever one you want. I believe this is like 1.5 inches. All I do is I section it in 2 parts, and I start from the back and I come to the front, and I do all of my waves away from my face. I actually don't switch. I like the way they look when they're all uniform. So I'll just grab a chunk. I tend to grab bigger chunks. I don't want to have that many curls. I prefer them to be like bigger. So when it is on this side, what I do, I guess I could do it this way, but I like to go behind my head and I just go like this. I just wrap it away from my face. Always leave some hair out because, well, I prefer to leave the hair out because it looks a little bit more beachy, and it also keeps your length. Whenever you do very tight curls to the bottom, it'll be like very short looking. So I just leave it for a couple seconds, let it cool in my hand for a little bit, and this is what you get. So what I'm gonna do is do a couple more back here so that I can show you again how I do it in the front where you can actually see what's going on. Okay, so we have gotten to the front part. See how I just grab, like I don't really section my hair. All my curls are back here, and then I always leave the other half to the front, and that's just how I do it. So I just wanted to show you guys, when I get to the front, I tend to grab smaller pieces just so that I can have more curls. But see, I just put it up here, do it to the back. Remember that when you have less hair, you don't have to hold it as long, and you know, just do that. And that's all I do. So I'm going to do one more on this side, and then off camera, I'm going to curl most of the back of my hair on the other side, and then I'll show you guys how I do the other side as well as my bangs. So that's it. Just whoop. There you go. I do it a little bit different on this side. So the way I like to hold my wand, I like to hold it upside down. So on the other side, I like to do it this way, and on this side, I just hold it upside down. And again, I curl it away from my face. There's not much to it. I think that people just kind of get confused on how to hold the wand, and then maybe their curl doesn't come how they want it. Like if you think that your curl came out too curly, while it's still hot, you just do this. And then it becomes more of a wave. Just remember that it really just depends on how well your hair can hold a curl. Obviously, if you have very, very straight hair, I wouldn't be pulling them out because your hair probably will fall in a little bit and become more wavy. And then if you have very coarse hair, if your hair takes a curl really well, then I do suggest you do the wavy, like do the pull thing like that. So for the bangs, I leave about this much to work with. So what I do is I'll take half, and I like them very loose. So as you guys can see, this is like my grown out shorter part. So I'll take part of it and I will do the same thing again. Just don't hold it as long because like I said, I do like it to be less tight. And then I grab this and I just grab it all together and I bring it up about, see how it's not all the way up because I do like my bangs to fall down a little bit. Then I slowly roll it out. I see this curl. I kind of assess it. So what I do is I do my hair how I want it. And oh, that worked out perfectly. So usually if it doesn't work out perfectly, I'll either do it again and do it a little bit tighter, or I'll try to like straighten it out like this. This is what the hair looks like. What I'll do is I'll just grab whatever hairspray I have. This is the Blow Pro hairspray, and I'll just give it a light coat. And also what I do with my bangs, I push them back, give it a little bit of a spray, let it dry a little bit, look like Snooki for a little bit, and then bring it down, kind of place it how I want. I know that side bangs are not for everyone, but I love them. So I just spray it a little bit. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me show you guys the back so you guys can see how nice and curly it is. So that is how I do my hair that you guys always see me wear in videos, even though it's bleached and dyed and damaged. As you guys can see, I mean, if I do say so myself, my hair looks pretty dang healthy. And it is healthy because the Olaplex actually repairs the hair. So not only does it look good, but it also is good. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you're interested in the shampoo that I use, like all these different things, I do have an updated hair care video that I can link down below or up here if you're interested in that. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Again, thanks so much for letting me do sponsorships on my channel. I really have been loving and obsessing over Olaplex, so thank you guys so much for that. And again, look fantastic. Thank you for sponsoring part of this video. If you guys have any questions or if you need anything, go to the description down below or just comment and come say hi. I will answer any questions that you guys might have. I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.